How to make a clickable Stripe payment link button in Canva. So here I am in my Canva dashboard, and then for example, I'll open my website right here. So I have a website right here that is an online store. And then I have different products right here like gold ring, gold bracelet, and then a gold necklace. So what I want to do is that I want to use the Stripe platform or the Stripe website to have a payment link to the products right here so that my customers can go ahead and pay for that product, and then I can process that product so that I can give it to them. So what we need to do is that we just need to have the payment link for the Stripe payment processor. So from here, let's go to Stripe. So from here, you can go ahead and create your Stripe account first, then log in. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to use test mode. But if you already have, or if you want to use it in your live Stripe account, you can do that as well. So just turn this off. But basically the steps will be the same. So right here in Stripe, you should see different options right here in the sidebar. So what we're going to do first is that we need to go right here to product catalog. Then from here, we need to create our product. So I'll just click create product right here. Then we just need to fill up the details right here. So for example, I'll be going to make this product right here, this gold ring right here in Stripe. So I'll just name this gold ring, and then the description, I'll just put authentic gold ring. And then for the image, let's upload the image right here. So just click upload. Then I'm just going to select the photo for the gold ring, which is this one. And then you can put the price right here. So I haven't put the price right here, so I'll just put it right here in the Stripe product catalog. So I'll make this a one-off price, which means that the customer just needs to pay for this once. And then for example, I'll put in like $100 for this gold ring. So you can also click more pricing options right here if you need to make some more advanced options right here. But I'm just going to use the standard option right here since I just need the amount. And then if you need to change the currency, you can do it right here as well. Then once you're finished, just click add product. Then the product should now be created right here. And then you can click on it, and then you will see the details of the product right here. And then since we now have our product, what we need to do now is that we need to have a payment link. So you can see right here in the shortcuts the payment links, but if you don't see it right here, you can go to payments and then click payment links right here. Now we need to create our payment link. So I'll just click create test payment link since this is in test mode, but it should be also the same steps if you're using the live Stripe mode. So from here, we are in the payment link editor. So right here, you need to find your product. So we'll choose this one, the gold ring. And then from here, you will see like the payment page preview right here. So from here, you can add some options like collect the customer names right here. You can collect tax automatically. You can also collect the business name, the customer address, and then the phone number, and then the number of payments. You can also have advanced options right here if you need to add custom fields, promotion codes, and so on. But I just need the name of the customer, and then I also need their address for the delivery, for example. So from here, once you're finished, you can just click create link. Now you should have the payment link right here. Then we can just copy this URL. Then we can go back to our Canva website. Then we just need to put in our link inside of a button. So I already have a button right here. So sometimes in templates, you already have this, but if you don't have like a button yet, and if you're wondering how you can create it, you can just go right here to elements, then just use like a certain shape. So for example, let's go to shapes, and then I will use this standard square shape right here. Then I can just simply type here, buy now, and then it has a different font. So if you want to copy the font, it uses Proxima Nova. So we'll just use it like that, and then remove the bold effect. Then we can also have a border like this. Then you can remove like the color right here, but it will depend on your preference if you want to make some changes to how your button looks. But now we now have this button, and then we can put it right here, and then we can replace the button right here, for example. Then once we have the button, we just need to add the link inside of the button. So I'll just zoom in, and then you can just click on the element right here in Canva, click on the three dots, and then you should see link right here, which is this one. So from here, you just need to paste the URL of the payment link in Stripe. So like that, click done. Then now we have our link. So if you add a link, it automatically adds an underline right here. So if you don't want that, you can just turn off the underline right here, and it will still be clickable. Now, when we preview and then go right here, we can click on the button, and then it now leads us to the Stripe payment link. And then you can see the gold ring right here. And then the customer just needs to put their email and then full name right here, and then the payment information. And then you can do the same thing for all of your products right here in your Canva website. You can also apply that to like the image itself. So for example, I can put a link to this image, click done, go to preview. Now I can click on the image, and then it will also lead me to the Stripe payment link. And then that is it. So once you're finished, you can just publish the changes. So for example, let's publish the changes. Then it should now work in our live Canva website. So here's the Canva website. I can click on the button, and then I can also click on the image, and then it will lead me to the Stripe payment link. And then that is it. That is how we can make a clickable Stripe payment link button in Canva. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.